Qingdao Barefoot Construction Material Company Limited, established in 2000, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sales, and service of composite decking, composite cladding, composite fencing, WPC timber tube, and pergola. Located in Qingdao, a major coastal city in China, our manufacturing base covers an area of over 100,000 square feet, with a well-equipped R&D center where our research team dedicates themselves to the innovation of WPC material. We have obtained CE, FSC, ISO 14001, and ISO 9001 certificates. In order to supply products and services that meet customer needs, we have built a modern quality management system that is in strict accordance with international standards. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers, thanks to our professional services, quality products, and competitive pricing. Selling well in all cities and provinces of China, our products are exported to the main continents in the world, such as Europe, North America, South America, and Asia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We're well aware of our customers' need for customization. Whether you are selecting product models from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your projects, you can just talk to our sales team about your requirements. Please contact us if you have any ideas. We look forward to future cooperation and success.
As a manufacturer with rich experience in this field, we offer WPC products with premium quality at competitive prices, including composite decking, cladding, fencing, timber tube, and pergola. OEM and ODM are also available. You're welcome to take a factory tour. Thank you.